kitties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing some friend mail from Beautiful Makeup. I love her so much. Thank you, girl, for everything that you sent me. I appreciate you so much. Unfortunately, her video was much longer, but I realized after when I was editing, I left her address on the package when I was talking. So I had to cut all that out because, yeah, I'm not giving out people's addresses. Yeah, it's not cool. But I'm going to do this real quick voiceover. As you can tell, I was talking while I was doing the video, and now I have to voice over. It's a whole mess. Anyway, she sent me some mica powders. She sent me some glitters that, yes, she mixed herself. She's very talented. Love them. The mica powders, girl, I'm about to go in. I'm about to make mad stuff based on what she sent me. Love it. Like, I appreciate so much being part of a community of people that are just as enthusiastic about nails and creativity as I am. So love that we're able to send each other friend mail and really support each other and be there for each other, support each other's channels and, you know, things like that. That is the purpose of what I want to do. I love being able to help. Like I tell anyone who has ever text me or DM'd me, if I have an answer, I'm giving it to you. If I can help you in any way, I will do it, because that's just what you should be doing. You know, there's enough money out here for everybody. You know, I'm a licensed nail tech. I'm trying to hustle for my clients as well, just like everybody else. But you know what? And, you know, trying to get my subscribers on YouTube just like everybody else. But it doesn't hurt to be kind at all. It really doesn't hurt, you know? And I appreciate everyone who has reached out to me and shown me love and support. You guys are awesome. And this is it's just great. I love that we can support each other. So yes, please go check out Beautiful Makeup. Please go check out her YouTube. You know, she's dope. She's real. And I can appreciate her realness. Like, I love that. I love that about her. And yeah, these are one of like the glitter mixes she made herself. Love it. Like, absolutely love it. She did an awesome job, girl. You did an awesome job. And tell your daughter thank you. There was a drawing in the card she sent me. It was Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. So cute, so dope. Even my daughter was like, who did that? It was so nice. So thank you, girl, so much. Tell your daughter thank you. You guys are bomb. And yeah, if you can tell by my hand movements in the video, I was super excited because I was so happy. Like, I love friend mail. And this one right here, I was very happy about because it's so me. It's so like summertime ready. Like, I can't wait. The color combination, the fact that it's so bright, that is just all me. And I love the fact that from watching my videos and being my friend on IG and things like that, she kind of knew what to send me, because everything in there, I'm like, yes, I love this. Yes, I can use this. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to do this, a set with this. Like, I love it. So thank you, girls, so much. Please go subscribe to her. She is dope. I will leave her link in the description box below, kitties. Show some love. So guys, I will be leaving her links in the description box below. Please go follow Beautiful Makeup on YouTube. She is a bomb. Love you, girl. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'm back. I had to put my goodies away. And I have another unboxing in this video. This is from Nail Supply Glamour. See, that's the name of the company. I told you guys about them before. I mentioned it to you. I do order stuff from them frequently. They're really good price. When they have a sale, it's dope. I just cut out my real information from right here, guys. But 7-day free shipping on orders over 75 bucks. And I went in, as you can tell. But look at those prices. Things were on sale, guys. So I'm going to be taking this out with you. Sorry for the noise. Ooh, yeah, we're gonna get into this box. All right, now. So kitties, I am just going to be swatching, and I'm going to let you guys know where I purchased. Once again, this was Nail Supply Glamour, and these are their 1 ounce pots. I bought 2 different collections, or I bought from two different collections. So one is from the Naked Color Acrylic collection from Glam and Glitz. Those pots were on sale for $7.99 from Nail Supply Glamour. This was their, I believe, Valentine's Day sale. And then the Color Pop Acrylic collection from Glam and Glitz was $6.99. Now, usually these 1 ounce pots, I bought Glam and Glitz 1 ounce pots from my local nail supply store back in Brooklyn, and they were $10, $9.99. And some of their glow powders I got for $9.99, which was awesome. So to get them for $7.99 and $6.99, you know I bought a few. I wish I could have bought more at the time, but you know, I got something. So yeah, please go check out Glam and Glitz. I'm not affiliated in any way. They don't send me stuff for free for shouting them out. I am just spreading the news. So all my nail techs, all my nail enthusiasts, you want to buy some good supplies, Nail Supply Glamour. They are located in the Texas area. Their shipping is awesome. Their customer service is awesome. And if you have an issue, you have a question, you can call them and you can email them, and they do respond. So they're very good with that. So yeah, hope you guys like these swatches. Yeah, guys, so now I am swatching some Nail Supply Glamour products. They make their own products as well. So they have their own, I think, dip powders. They have their own gels. They have their own glitters. Like, they're dope. Like I said, please check them out. Like, yeah, they're really good. So, kitties, the first one I think I swatched was that natural pink cover. I think that was a 1 ounce pot. That was for $4.99. That's pretty good. It was a pretty pale pink, but you know, I realized I have a lot of colored acrylics, and I do need to stock up on my nudes, you know? So it's a perfect, very very nice light nude. It's something I'd probably use on my daughter because she prefers a more natural looking nail for her nail tips. Complete opposite of her mama. But that's something that I would use for her nail tips because that's like her aesthetic, you know? So if you have any clients that like that super sheer, more natural cover, Nail Supply Glamour natural pink cover is really good. And like I said, that was $4.99, 1 ounce pots. The rest that you'll see me swatch is their Glamour 2-in-1 acrylic and dip powder. Now, that is awesome. Okay, guys, it's awesome. I love the fact that they're 2-in-1. I don't do a dip myself. It's not my thing, but I appreciate the fact that somebody can get 2 for 1. You know, I love a sale. I love a deal, and that is a deal. They're only half ounce pots. They were $7.99 each, but they're worth it because, like I said, they're dual. So if you do dip and you also do acrylic, you know, you're jack of all trades, so you can do both or whatever. You have one product that you can do 2 things with, you know? So I love that. Like I said, $7.99, and they are beautiful. They were really easy to apply to the swatch stick. So I really would purchase these again and buy more of them. And I suggest that anyone who wants to have a dual product, this is a very good dual product to invest in, guys. So yeah, continue to watch. Oh, one of them at the end, you'll see it's a surprise one. It's a glow dip powder, 2-in-1 dip powder, acrylic powder from Glamour, Nail Supply Glamour. Love it. And you will see the glow is real. Like it didn't have to take a second to warm up and get there. It was dope. So definitely check out their website, guys, and continue watching, kitties. So kitties, I'm just dropping in real quick because as promised, I did say I was going to have my random giveaways. I know you guys love your giveaways. So here are the giveaway rules. I'm going to need you guys to go follow me on Instagram. My Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube are all the same. It is Kitty Claus 18, no space in between. It is KITTYKLAWS, the number 1 and the number 8. I need you guys to be a follower of my IG because I will check. I need you guys to go to my last post, like it, and comment under that post, simply saying giveaway. That's it, giveaway. I'm going to hold this open for a week. So a week from today, the contest rules will end and everyone that entered will be put in my random selector and they will be randomly picked for some super prizes that I know you guys will love. So guys, please go follow the contest rules. Good luck to everyone. And please, 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 please don't forget to go follow my girl, Beautiful Makeup. Her link will be in the description box below. Thank you, Beautiful Makeup. You are dope. You're a bomb. I love you to death. I love all of you kitties. Your support has been so real. It's crazy. And I got some major things coming up. I've been working hard, so I hope you guys continue to stick with me. Love you, kitties. Bye.